how to set back tap to open the control center or the notification center on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch. Then swipe up to go down. On the last option, tap on Back Tap. In here, you can choose Double Tap or Triple Tap. So I'm going to choose Double Tap. And then in here, you can choose Control Center or Notification Center. So if you choose the Control Center, select that. Now tap on the back key and swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now whenever I double tap on the back, that will open up the control center. So just double tap like that and that will open up the control center for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.